So, it was the duty of the Kshatriya to fight. Therefore Krishna is condemning his behavior, that this is not befitting a Kshatriya. By this action you will be defamed. Akritti Karamarjuna. You are such a nice fighter, soldier, and if you cease to fight, then the other party will defame you in so many ways. What are you thinking of? Especially, you are my friend. I am standing here, despite my becoming your chariot driver. If you decline to fight, certainly it will be a great havoc. Don't do this. Therefore he says, Anarjajustam asargam. Asargam means he cannot be promoted to the heavenly planet. It is said that a Kshatriya who dies in the fight is immediately promoted to the heavenly planet. But because he is dying for the good cause, therefore he is promoted. Asargam akritti karam. It is defamation on your part. So, Klaibang masma gamapatha naitat sai upapadati chudrang ridadadballam takta uttishta parantap. Parantapa means one who can give trouble to the enemies. It is the duty of the Kshatriya. Enemies, aggressor, they should be killed. There is no atutai. Atutai means one who is aggressor, one who kidnaps one's wife, one who take away by force one's wealth, one who sets fire in one's house. These are called aggressor. So aggressor should be killed. Aggressor should be given trouble.